Hi guys, I'm just doing a quick unboxing of this ukulele. It's ukulele from Flight NUC310 model, and just do a quick unboxing for you guys. That is from our own Leigh music factory based in Frankston. You can see the ukulele there, and the box is like this, just plain box. Yeah. Now we'll open it. So just a removable box there. So inside the box is the sticker, some information there, magazine, and here's the actual ukulele. Inside the box there's this additional stickers, and also a magazine featuring Elise Auckland, the cover from Flight Ukulele. You can see company information there, chord charts, strumming patterns, and original music from Elise, which is this Broken Bones, and some company information there. So for the packaging, you can see this the packaging here from Flight. And there's a zipper here to put your stuff inside. Yeah. The back has two straps actually, which is good, so you can make it like a backpack and handles as well. Alright. Now the ukulele comes in good packaging here, and just removing something. Alright, so that's the ukulele from Flight. You see the design there, which is the serve, the neck, and the head. There's even pins for straps. In the back, mahogany. The wood actually is sapel, not mahogany, but what I understand is it's better wood. And there's the Flight sticker inside. Alright. Out of the box already almost tuned. So guys, I'm just using this online tuner app here, Piano Tuner. You can download it for free, and just tuning in my new ukulele. G is good, C is good. For the E, for the A, so literally less than 30 seconds or less than a minute, I was able to tune this flight ukulele NUC310 model. I can see it's made from PRC, People Republics of China. I just noticed that there's only one pin here, and I couldn't find the other pin at the back or at the head of the ukulele. Basically, yeah, it's quite easy to tune.